Okay, here you go. Type TeamViewer.com here, and then click this Windows logo if your computer is using Windows. And next step is clicks here, download, and once again click here, download now. Start download. You maybe don't have this window because I am using internet download manager, but if you have one you will have the same. It doesn't matter. Okay, when you finish download it, now you open the software you just downloaded, and you will have this window. Okay, before I continue, I will close this window first. Okay, first you click install and then click next. Next step is choose personal and then click next. Check mark both and click next, and choose normal installation and click next, and again you choose full access as recommended, click next. Okay, when the installation is finished, then you will have this window, and what you need to do is just click finish. Here you go. This is the now you don't need this one, you can close that one. Now you have the software installed in your computer. What you need to do to let me in to your computer and remote your computer from the distance through internet connection, you just provide me this number as ID and also the password. That's it. Oh yeah, one more thing, make sure it's always green, not red. If this green color is in red, it means you have a problem with your internet connection or your connection is not secured. So make sure this color is always green, not others. I mean not red. That's for now. Thank you.